to cool happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Welcome back. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Now, I'll talk about firstly how you may easily convert documents from one format to an easier format which will allow you to copy the text and later paste it in the edit field on the my from text to speech.com website. Now on Android, it's not as easy as it is on Windows, because Windows, there are practically ample of software, accessible ones I'm talking about, which will allow you to convert documents from one format to a text format, to the text format, because it is the text format which I always say is the easiest to copy text from, whether it may be on Windows, Android, and also on iOS based platform. But on Windows it's very easy to find such software. It is not as easy as it is on Windows, on the Android, and also on iOS, but it's not impossible to do, and I'm going to show you how you do it. Now on Android, all you need to do is just firstly go to Play Store, and I'll do it right now. So let's do it. Open Play Store.
Opening Play Store. Double tap to activate.
So once you're in Play Store on your Android device, all you need to do is, let me increase the volume.
Music volume set to 100%.
Yep. You need to swipe.
Search button.
Double tap on search.
Showing English in the QWERTY keyboard.
Now here you can easily search for any kind of applications, like for instance PDF to text. Okay, let me search for PDF to text on Play Store right now.
Volume controls hidden. Voice search button.
PDF to text. So let's see what we found. Okay, let's swipe.
App, period tracker, dash period, calendar ovulation tracker. Simple design limited, 11 megabytes. Voice search button, out of list.
Totally just the wrong area altogether. Let's go back.
App, period tracker, dash period, voice search button, out of list. View jump. Characters. Back, app, period. Back button. Play Store, home, for you selected.
We will try to search for PDF. It has something else. There's no good.
Capital B. A. Alpha. Search button. Double tap to activate. Capital S. E. Default. Voice search button.
PDF to text.
Play Store, clear button.
Let's see if we found it this time. That's right.
App, PDF to text.
Yep.
Docs.com Incorporated. Store rating 2.9. Installed. In list 20 items.
As you can see, I've already installed this software. It's called PDF to text. So, it allows you to convert any PDF document that you may receive from friends, from libraries, which is usually in PDF format. You can easily convert it, convert those documents to text. And after you convert it to text, then is when, okay, let's just double tap on this software to open it. I've installed it, and I installed it just for this demonstration to show you how easy it is to find applications which can easily convert documents from PDF to text. Okay, so let's swipe.
Navigate up button. Search Google Play. More options button. PDF to text.
I'll put a link. You can search it on Play Store. It's not, searching is not a difficult task. So try it. Otherwise, I also put the link to download the software on the description box in the video, right? So let's swipe. Let's swipe.
Image of that board game icon. Comicsdocs.com. Productivity tag. Uninstall. Button. Open. Button.
Open, okay.
Double tap to
I'll
activate.
install this or double tap to open.
PDF to text. Files of this device. Double tap
Okay,
to activate.
as you can see, I have previously downloaded and also converted a document from PDF to text, and it's here. It should be under the converted in the converted folder. Let's swipe.
Dropbox. Drive. OneDrive and more. More options. Button.
Well, let's go to more options.
More options. Button.
If
Pop-up
you
window. Sort files.
find
7 items. Double tap
converted,
to activate. Purchases. Restore purchases. Conversions.
to conversions,
activate.
double tap.
PDF to text. Navigate up. Button. Conversions. 1. PDF to text. Fast conversions.
Fast conversions.
2. PDF to text. Fast conversions. 3. PDF to Excel.
Okay, we want to go to PDF to text. I believe I already have it, so let's search for the document.
PDF fast conversions. 2. Fast conversions. PDF to text. 1.
Let's go back. I'm not sure why it isn't here. It was here yesterday. I done a test run before, in fact, recording this demonstration, so it should be here. Let's see it again. Let's find it. It should be here.
Home button. Back button. PDF to text. More options button. Joshua New.
There you go.
Out of list. Joshua New active dash heaven number 1. 1 megabyte. In list. 2 items. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
And this is a novel called by Joshua Muravchik entitled Heaven on Earth. And I converted this book from PDF to text. After which, it's easy. So once you've converted the book from PDF to text, then what you do is you can access the book from your file manager. So let's go to file manager.
Back button. Out of list. Home button.
Now let's search for the intended or the required document.
Home button. Home button. Pogo launcher. Google. Gmail. Double tap to active gallery. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Messaging. New video. File manager.
File manager. Let's
Double
go.
tap to activate.
Okay, documents.
Archives. Row 2. Column 3. Downloads. Column. APKs. Column 1. Music. Row 1. Docs. Column 3.
Docs, double tap.
File manager.
Now you will find the document,
Double tap to activate.
the Joshua Muravchik book here. So let's swipe.
Docs. Button. Selected. All. PDF. Word. Excel.
I
Double tap to activate.
select all. Let's swipe.
PPT. Other. Joshua Muravchik dash heaven number 1 TXT 1.07 megabytes 05/05/19 PM. In list.
As you can see, the format
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
is TXT or text format. So if you double tap, you can open it. Let's double tap.
Not ticked. Open. Open with.
Open with. So once you can open with, then you swipe.
Browser. Column 1.
Browser.
1 row. 2 column. More. Column 2. Double tap to activate.
Let's
Double tap and hold to
go.
long press.
I think you should select more. Let's go to more and see what else we have besides browser.
Open with. Browser. Row 1. Column 1. In grid. 2 rows. 4 columns.
Browser,
Double Firefox. Column 2. Double
Firefox,
tap to act. Open. Column 3.
open.
Double tap to act. Simple notepad. Column 4.
Okay,
Double tap to
let's
activate.
go
Double tap and hold to long press.
to use open it in simple notepad, double tap. So once it opens, then the rest is easy. So this is how you in fact,
Table of contents. Title page.
Okay.
Dedication. Epigraph. Prologue. Beginnings. Chapter 1.
as you can see, the document has opened in simple notepad on my Android device. Now what you want to do is you want to copy this entire text, and to copy it simple, very easy to do. So let's put my finger on the screen and see where we are.
Table of contents. Title page.
Yeah,
Dedication.
yeah.
Epigraph. Prologue. Beginnings. Chapter 1. Conspiracy.
To copy.
Values. Plot. A revolution.
Do a local context on your screen, Android device screen.
Table of contents. Title page. Import to play. No menu items. Simple notepad. Joshua Muravchik dash heaven number 1. Edit box. Editing. Table of contents. Title page.
Okay, let's do a local context menu now.
Alert local context menu. Edit options. Alert edit options.
Then
Cursor to
you
beginning. In list. 5 items.
Move
Double tap
cursor,
to
you
activate.
will swipe to select all and copy text.
Move cursor to end. Paste. Select all.
Select all, double tap.
Simple notepad. Select text.
Do
Table of contents,
a
title, page,
second.
paragraph, prologue, beginnings, chapter 1 dash conspiracy. Selection cleared.
We do another local context.
Quick insert. Double tap Joshua Murat to dash heaven number 1. Edit box. Editing. Table of contents. Title page. Education. Epigraph. Prologue. Begin. Alert. Local context menu. Edit options. Alert. Edit options.
Edit options. Swipe.
Move cursor to end. Paste. Select all. Double. Simple notepad. Select the text. Joshua Murat to dash. Controls. Editing. Table of contents. Alert. Local context menu. Edit option. Alert. Edit options. Move cursor to beginning.
Now we
English.
swipe.
Double tap to activate.
Swipe to copy.
Move cursor to it. Cut. Copy.
Copy. And that's it.
Copy.
Once you have,
Education epigraph prologue beginnings chapter 1 dash conspiracy of equals value.
I've in fact copied the entire book. It's a 300-page book. I've first converted it from PDF to text using PDF to text application. There are hundreds of such applications on the Play Store. All you need to do is go and search for one, and most of the time Android apps are on the most part accessible. At least 80% of the time they're accessible. I downloaded this application yesterday and was easily able to convert a novel which I wanted to read or listen to rather in MP3 format. I converted it to text, and now I've copied the entire text. Once you've done that, next thing you want to do is open the from text to speech.com website. So let's go there.
Button. Overview. Button. Google Assistant. Unlocked. Overview. Open PDF to text. PDF to text. Unlocked.
It's called PDF
to long press.
to text.
Open Google Play Store. Play Store. Google Play Store. Play. Open File Manager application. File Manager. Unlock. 3.8 gig. Manage apps. Deep clean. Security scan. Cleaner. Split screen. Total RAM. 6 GB. Open Google Assistant application. Google Assistant. Unlocked. Double tap to activate. Open PDF to text. PDF to text. Open Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Open File Manager application. File Manager. 3.8 gigabytes. Manage apps. Double tap to activate. 3.8. File Manager. Open File Manager app. Google Play Store. Play Store. Unlocked. Open Google Play Store. PDF to text. Open PDF to Google Assistant. Open Google Total RAM. 6 GB available RAM. 3.8 GB. Double tap to clear.
Okay,
Double tap to activate. Double tap to hold to long press.
Close it and we open Firefox because I opened the page in Firefox.
All recent applications dismissed. 437 megabytes cleared. File Manager. Home button.
Open Firefox.
Opening Firefox.
There you go. Once it loads, then we locate the from text to speech.com website. So it should be loaded right now. Let's see what we have.
From text to speech. From text to speech.com.
You can
Double
see
tap to activate.
it's the page loads. It remembers your previous page, so it loads it automatically. So all you need to do is either bookmark the page and save it for future use. So now let's swipe.
Site security button. From text to speech dash free online TTI service. Logo link. Home list item. Contact US link. FB like Facebook social. Twitter tweet button link. Share 19.8K link. Free online text to speech TTI service with natural sounding voices. Convert any English text into MP3 audio file and play it on your PC or iPod.
Okay, swipe.
Convert text to speech. Heading level 2.
Convert text to speech.
MP3 WAV link.
MP3
Double tap to
WAV.
activate. Software maker link. Audio recorder link. Listen to the MP3 file colon.
Okay, as you can see, he's asking me to listen, which means I had previously copied the text, the entire book, pasted it onto the edit field here, which you will be prompted to paste the text, and later you'll be required to convert. Now, after you paste the text, you will be required to choose a couple of, make a couple of settings. For instance, selecting the language English. English is the only language usable by people from Asia, because besides that the other languages here in the website are all European languages. For instance, Spanish, Polish, German, and languages which at least I don't speak. I selected English. Second step is to select the voice person or the person you intend to use, male, female. I selected female. And third, the speed. You need to select the speed at which the person will speak. Slow, very slow, fast, medium, and very fast. I believe I selected fast because I find fast that's a slow in fact for me. Once you've done that, then there's an unlabeled button. The button is unlabeled, and I've even tried to label it. Unfortunately, I've not been successful to label it. Being the fact that it's a dynamic button which will in fact change every time you load the page, so it becomes unlabeled even if you label it. So it doesn't matter, it's the UI, but you know what it does. The button is unlabeled, it just basically converts the text to speech. Once you have done all that, then you double tap on the button. It will take a couple of minutes. It took me around 3 minutes to convert this particular book from text to speech. Once you have done that, all you need to do is swipe.
Download audio file link.
Download
Double tap to activate.
audio file link to one finger and double tap. It
Or
will
the table
download.
of contents.
And there you go, it starts
Title
reading.
page. Dedication. Epigraph. Prologue. Beginnings. Chapter 1. Conspiracy of Equals Beba plots a revolution. Chapter 2. New Harmony Owen conducts an experiment. Chapter 3. Scientific Socialism Engels interprets the oracle. Chapter 4. What is to be done? Bernstein develops doubts.
From
Triumph.
text, open an app. Button.
Chapter 5. Real existing socialism.
From text-to-speech.com.
Power.
Open an app.
Chapter 6.
20 tabs. Button.
Fascism Mussolini becomes a heretic. Chapter 7. Social democracy Atlee takes the slow road. Chapter 8.
Google. Overview. Button.
Nair forges a synthesis.
Open file
Collapse.
address. Google Assist.
Chapter
Google.
9.
Total RAM. 6.
Union.
All recent applications dismissed. 431 megabytes cleared.
Alright, as you can see, it is very easy to convert text to speech on Android, and now for my part 2, I'll talk about how you may do the same process, but this time on iOS or the iPhone. Alright, so without further ado, let's proceed. Okay, welcome back. And in this final installment to the converting text to speech demonstration, I'm going to talk about now how you may convert text to speech on iOS or the iPhone. Previously, on the previous part 2, I talked about how you may convert text to speech easily on Android devices or the Android platform. Now let's proceed to iOS or the iPhone. Now this is more a matter of preference, but some people prefer using Android, some people prefer using iOS or the iPhone. Both have the plus and minus points. I will not compare platforms. I'm going to convert text to speech on both Android and the iOS based platform as well. But however, I find it rather a little easier to convert text to speech on iOS, because for me, I find that you do not need apps. You do not need too many third-party apps to convert books from one format to the text. For instance, to convert from PDF to text format, I can just use the Dropbox app on my iPhone to copy text. So without further ado, let's proceed. So now, in this case, I have a document, the same book I converted to speech on Android. It's called Joshua Monashkif, something entitled Heaven on Earth. The novel is in text or is in PDF. I converted it to text on Android device. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert the same book to text on the iPhone. So for that, I open my Dropbox app. So let's go to Dropbox on the iPhone. I'm using an iPhone XR running the latest iOS build. So let's go to Dropbox right now. App switcher.
App switcher. Recorder. Active. Launcher. Active. Safari. Dropbox. Active. Close. Activate. Dropbox. Dismiss.
And once in Dropbox, we go to the book. I kept it in a folder called Books. So let's go to Books.
Home. Back button. Notifications. No unread. Account. Photo. Create. File. Selected. Files. Selected. Search. Button. Select. Files. List. Arbind. Books. Folder.
Books.
Selected. Files. Back button.
I've converted the book previously from PDF to text using the Shortcuts app on the iPhone. And the beauty about Shortcuts app on the iPhone, I would say, is similar to Macro Droid on Android. But however, Shortcuts has a little more, at least to me, there's little more features compared to Macro Droid, because with Shortcuts I can very easy to convert a PDF book from PDF to TXT or text format. I've converted this, so let's locate the book on my books folder in Dropbox on iPhone. So that's swipe.
Search button. Select. Upgrade to make up more actions. Books. Head. Only you. Share button. Words. Speaking rate 65, 60%, 50 per vol. Audio. Punk. Set. Hit. Words. Characters.
Okay, that's why I just reduced the speech rate.
Select sort mode. List view. Billy Jensen. Zip. File. Claire Boyd. Her closest. Joshua Muravchik. Heaven on Earth. PDF. File.
Okay, the book was given to me in PDF. Joseph Muravchik. Let's listen to the name again.
Claire. Joshua Muravchik.
Joshua Muravchik. The title, the author is Joshua Muravchik, and the title of the book is Heaven on Earth. It's a wonderful book, and I was planning to listen to it in MP3 format. I was able to convert it to text easily on Android. So now let's look at the book. I've in fact converted this book to text format using Shortcuts on my iPhone XR. So let's try.
Copy link.
Now let's go to the next book.
Joshua Muravchik. Heaven on Earth. TXT. File.
Can you see? Joshua Muravchik. TXT Heaven on Earth. So I've converted it easily to text. Now, for me, it's very simple on iPhone, because on iPhone I'm easily able to copy the text, the entire book, directly on Dropbox. So let's open this book.
Select books. Back button.
The book has opened, so now let's swipe.
Joshua Muravchik. Heaven on Earth. TXT.
Now,
Heading.
I tried the same process on Android, but I was unsuccessful because on Android I was not allowed to copy the text. The option to copy did not appear. I opened the book, did a local context, but the edit menu did not pop up, so I could not edit and copy the text, which is why I had to use an app to convert the text from PDF to TXT. But it's not really difficult, it's still easy. I was easily able to convert it to text. It's just, it required another step. But for iOS, it's like this. The book is open, so that's why.
Copy link. Button.
Copy link.
More actions menu. Button.
More actions.
Edit. Button.
Okay, now we're in the edit. Let's swipe one more time.
0 comments. Button. Activity. Button. Open comments. Button. Open comments. Activity. 0 comment. Edit. Button. More actions menu. Button. Table of contents.
This is
Title page.
This is the book. It opens in one small tab, which is just after
More actions menu.
So
Button.
just go to the edit field. This is basically the edit field.
Table of content.
What you do is just rotate to edit.
Characters, word, lot, text, vol, audio, punctuation, audio, volume, speaking rate, text selection.
Rotate to text selection, then rotate up, swipe up to select all.
Character select all.
Swipe right. That will take a couple of seconds to copy the entire book. It's a 300 plus page book, but easily done, both on Android and also iOS.
Table of contents, title, page, dedication, epigraph, prologue, beginnings.
Once VoiceOver starts reading the book, you know it's converted. Then you rotate to edit.
Speak, vol, audio, punk, set, hit, link, head, links, character, words, line, text, speaking, volume, audio, punk, set, hit, link, head, link, character, word, line, text selection, page selection, select all. Quick nav off. Speak quick nav on. Vol. Audio. Punk. Set. Hit. Link. Head. Edit. Links. Edit. Share. Look up. Copy.
Copy. Double tap. Now it will take a few seconds. Once VoiceOver starts reading, you know it has been copied. And that's how easy it is. At least for me, I find it easier because I do not need to use an app to convert to open the book, in a special
Table of contents.
Okay, you see, I do not need an app to. I was saying, I do not need
Title page.
to just copy, open a book from text in the text format. And once I've copied the text, then next step is we go to from text to speech.com website. It's open in Safari, so let's go to Safari app switcher.
Portrait. Screen curtain on. Quick nav off. Quick nav on. Drop edit button. App switcher, Dropbox, recorder, launcher, Safari, activate, Safari, address, from text-to-speech.com,
Okay, before I proceed,
not secure.
I just want to make some comments here. Please, I do not want you all to think that I'm comparing devices. For me, I'm a dual platform, in fact, a triple platform user. I use all my devices equally as well. I use Windows with my screen reader, I use Android, and also use iPhone with voice. So easily, I know that I don't compare any platform. To me, they all perform well. Each platform have their ups and downs, but it's a matter of preference. For me, I find that on Windows, at least, it's very easy to find accessible apps which you can use to convert at least books from one format to many other different formats, and they're all available and easy to download. I can give you a suggestion. On Windows, you may go to the blindhelp.net webpage or website. They have hundreds of apps there or software which allow you to easily convert books from PDF to text. And I've done it easily on Windows. It's not so easy on Android and iOS, not impossible, but it's a little more work, I would say. So now I've copied the text on iOS on my Dropbox page or app. Now let's swipe till we find the edit field where we are supposed to paste the text of the book, the entire book, in fact. So that's why.
Reload button, logo, link, image.
If you notice, it's exactly the same page as I opened in Android earlier. Now let's swipe.
Home, link, contact US,
Okay, if you
link.
notice also, I could not demonstrate the process of copying or pasting and converting on Android because I had previously already converted it, and that would in fact save me time on my recording duration. But you'll see it here now. So let's swipe.
Like 13K button, tape, tweet, link, share, link, question mark, link 2, heading, free online text to convert any English text into MP3 audio file and play it on your PC or iPod. Convert text to speech. Heading level 2. Simply copy and paste your text in the box below. Multi-line text field.
In here, multi-line text field, it means this is the edit field or one finger double tap.
Insertion point at end. Quick nav off.
Rotate to edit.
Quick nav on. Word, lot, text, speak, vol, audio, punk, set, hit, link, head, typing, edit.
And swipe down to paste.
Select all. Paste.
Double tap, and the book will be pasted here.
Quick nav off. Portrait. Screen curtain on. Quick nav on. Convert text. Simply copy and paste your text in the box below. Multi-line text field. Is editing. Table of contents.
Okay, the book has been pasted. Now swipe right.
50,000 characters remaining.
Swipe right.
Select language. US English. Pop-up button.
This is what I was talking about when I was demonstrating on Android. You first need to select the language, so let's double tap.
Select language. US English. Picker item. Adjustable.
Sorry. Okay, once you see there are a couple of European languages here.
British English.
British English.
US English.
US English.
British French.
And the rest are all European and mostly, but at least I don't understand them. I'm not sure, but you may be able to understand other European languages. For me, I only can understand US English and British English. English is basically the only language I understand. So let's try to see the other languages available here.
Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian.
As you can see, all the European languages. So let's swipe to okay, let's say I select British English in this time just for demo.
Portuguese, Italian, German, Spanish, French, British English.
Once you made your selection, swipe left.
Done.
Double tap.
Button.
Done.
Done. Select language.
Done.
British English. Pop-up button.
Step 2, swipe right.
Select voice. Emma. Pop-up button.
I've selected my initial language, English. Then you have next step is to select the voice, female, male, and also the person. So let's double tap.
Select voice. Quick nav off. Emma. Picker item. Adjustable. Quick nav on.
Okay.
Harry.
You see Harry.
Harry. Emma.
Okay.
Emma.
British English, there are only two voices. Male, one female, Harry and Emma. I will select Harry this time.
Emma. Harry.
Swipe left.
Done.
Double tap.
Button. Done.
For the third,
Select voice. Harry.
please
Pop-up
select
button.
the speaking rate or the speed at which the person will speak.
Select speed. Medium. Pop-up button.
Default is medium, double tap.
Select speed. Quick nav off. Medium. Quick nav on. Fast.
There is fast.
Very fast.
There is very fast. Okay, so for me, I'll select fast. There are a few options here. There's very fast,
Very fast. Fast.
fast,
Medium.
medium,
Slow.
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 And so there are a few options. I'll select fast,
Medium. Fast. Very fast.
swipe left,
Done.
double tap.
Button.
Now,
Select speed. Fast. Pop-up
the
button.
final step is a convert button, and as I was saying in the previous, when I was demonstrating converting text to speech on Android, the button is unlabeled. That's all right.
Button.
It's voiceover or topic will say button, but we know that this is the only unlabeled button here, and it's basically the button to convert text to speech. So let's double tap to convert the text we just pasted into audio. One finger double tap.
Possible text. Create audio file.
Now as you can see, the conversion process will take a couple of minutes. On Android it took me about 3 minutes, so let's see how long it takes on iPhone. Again, no comparison, it's just it depends on the device you're using and your internet speed as well. So let's just give it a few minutes and see what happens. Not really that hard anyway. It's quite simple to convert on both Android and iOS. Just give it a couple of minutes.
Address 10% from text-to-speech.com.
It may take a couple of minutes. I hope it will be quick, so then my recording will be shorter. Now you see the process of converting text to speech is easy once you are able to convert the book from one format to an easier accessible format on the from text-to-speech.com website. And as you notice, the best format which I recommend all members or my viewers, dear viewers, to use is the text format, because it's very easy to copy text, a book from the text format and paste it in the edit field in the from text-to-speech.com website. And I'm sure you all know why it's so easy to do so. And to convert a book from PDF to text is easy on all platforms, Windows, Android, and also iOS. But I did not demonstrate Windows because there are so many accessible apps out there, and converting books from one format to the other on Windows is very easy. The softwares are readily available and easy to download. You may go to, for instance, Blind Help Project website. It's blindhelpproject.net. I'll put the link in the description box also, so you may have all the links and all the required tools to convert your book from text to speech on both Windows, Android, and also iOS. taking the long, but we have no choice but to wait.
Website not secure.
Okay, it should be converting.
14% from text to speech.
Is 14%. Okay, let's
From text to speech.
it has converted. So let's start swiping from the very top of the screen.
Address. From text to speech.com. Not secure.
Okay, let's start swiping right.
Reload. Button. Logo. Link. Home. Link. Contact US. Link.
Now this contact us is a contact us link.
Home. Contact US.
As in the previous demonstration, I stressed this link because double tapping here will take you to the contact us menu where you can contact the webmasters. You may, in fact, or the web developer, you may request them to add other languages, especially Asian languages, like Hindi for Indian users, or Asian languages like Malay, Indonesian, Philippines, Tagalog, or the Thai language, basically all Asian languages, thereby making the website more usable by people from all over the world. And in fact, once that's done, I'm pretty sure this website will be a hot sale among many blind and visually impaired students, especially from Asian countries. So it's an idea, it's a thought you may want to consider clicking this link. So now let's swipe.
Like 13K. Button. Tweet. Link. Share. Link. Question mark. Link. 2. Heading. Free online text to speech. TTS. Service with natural sounding voices. Convert any English text into MP3 audio file and play it on your PC, or convert text to speech. Listen to the MP3 file.
Okay, so you notice the same options you got on Android. First you get listen, you hear listen to the audio file here.
Convert text, listen to the MP3 file.
Now if you swipe right, we'll get the option to download.
Download audio file.
Now,
Link.
the moment I download, and exactly as you had heard on Android, the moment I click on download, the audio will start to play and you'll hear the book being read out even before the entire book has downloaded. That's another good feature of this page. So I'll double tap here to download.
Download audio. Skip address. Address. 10% from text to speech.com.
We'll start playing right now in a few seconds. I believe it is already.
From text to speech.
Table
Reload.
contents.
Button.
Title page. Dedication. Epigraph. Prologue. Beginnings. Chapter 1. Conspiracy of Equals Baby Yoda plots a revolution. Chapter 2. New Harmonioin conducts an experiment. Chapter 3. Scientific socialist Engels interprets the oracle.
Button. Play.
Pause the book. Now if you notice, I've easily converted the book from PDF to text, then copied the text, pasted in the edit field in the from text-to-speech.com website, and finally easily converted the book from text to speech. Now I hope my viewers will be satisfied with my latest demonstration on not only how to convert text to speech, but also how to convert a book from PDF to the TXT or text format, and later copy the entire text, which is easily done on both Android and also iOS devices like the iPhone and iPad. Alright guys, so once you have downloaded, it'll be the same. The process is the same. You may then save the audio.
Skip forward. Elapsed. Tabs. Book. Share. Button.
And the process.
AirDrop recipient.
The book is similar, or is very similar on both Android and iOS. Just double tap on share, and then you can save it to either Dropbox or your app of choice. So I'll go to Dropbox.
More. But find on request add to collect. Save to Dropbox. Cancel. Saved. Save. File. Preparing file. Text field.
Is preparing the file.
47288. Quick nav off. PM. Period. MP3.
The format is MP3, so let's swipe to. The book is saved as a number, just a string of numbers.
3 PM. Period. 1.
Delete the number.
1. 4.
and give it a title, Joshua Muravchik, Heaven and Earth. Let's type it out.
J S S O A space U A V H I K space A space V E N space O N space A R T H.
And then later save it.
Quick nav on. Save selected. Computer to books. Selected.
Books. It's
only you.
With the audio or text, I chose to save it in my books folder in Dropbox, so I've left.
Computer to save location. Text field is editing. Joshua Muravchik.
I've just renamed the book. Okay, spelling is not right. It should be Muravchik, Heaven and Earth. Doesn't matter, so I've left. I can change it later.
File. Save.
Button.
Button.
That's it. That's how easy.
Text field is editing. Josh, quick nav on. Quick nav on. File. Heading. Cancel. Text field.
So I've successfully converted and saved the book to Dropbox, and later I may listen to it on my free time.
Quick nav off. Quick nav on. Saved. Arvine 2. Only you.
Okay, so the saving process is also complete. So that will be all, guys. I hope this demonstration has been useful. I've now shown how you may not only convert a book from text to speech, but also how to convert a book from one format to the easy use format, where you may easily
address
YTQ May 6, 2019. Quality bundle dash travel itinerary.
You may easily copy the text in the text format and convert it to speech. So I hope this demonstration has been useful. If it has, please subscribe to this YouTube channel to receive notifications when important and beneficial videos are added, and also hit the like button, because that would surely and always will surely motivate me to make many more accessible based tech tutorials in all platforms, whether they may be for Windows, Android, and also the iOS-based platform, all with screen reader users in mind. Till I see you again, have a wonderful and amazing day ahead. Bye-bye.